Today was very, very interesting. We had an insane mover. We have KODK, KODK. It's up over 300% currently. Traded it very small, very tight pre-market. It went to the moon. It's up over 100% since my original entry. But, you know, what's funny is I ended up trying to buy a stock that wasn't so hot because I thought that maybe this stock could get a move going with all the momentum behind KODK. But instead, I ended up getting dumped on. And at one point today, I was down over $1,800. So going from basically being up like a couple $100 to being down negative 100, from being up green a couple $100 to being down $1,800. $1,800, almost lost 50%. Close to 50% of my account today. And yeah, it was bad for a minute. It was bad, but I stayed focused and I was able to grind back. And I'm going to show you guys what I was able to grind back to. So still red on the day, but overall, I'm very happy that I was able to just stay focused, take the loss, and keep trading and get back to very close to green on the day, especially after being down $1,800. So I'm going to show you guys the trades that I made. It was a wild day, missing out on some insane moves here on KODK, getting a few trades on it, but overall just very, I wouldn't say poorly traded today, but I just needed to have a little bit more patience, especially with KODK being just a supernova, insane, crazy stock today that, you know, I could have easily have traded this one and made just millions of dollars if I would have just held. Obviously, I wouldn't have made millions, but in general, going to show you guys the trades that I made today, going from down $1,800 to almost getting back close to green. Going to show you guys the trades and all that fun stuff right here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Do me one big favor, guys. If you do enjoy these videos, I'm showing you the wins, I'm showing you the losses, the good days, the bad days, the struggle, the success, showing you all that. So do me a big favor, hit that like button down below and leave a comment about today. What do you think I did wrong? What should I do better? Help me help you. Or pull back to maybe the 80 area here. Take a little stab there at the 93s. See if we can push back above 15 here. Giving a little trouble there again. Wow, keep getting trouble on this. $80 there. I don't like it. I'm staying away. On the gapper list today, you can see KODK on the top of the gapper list, and really not a lot of other stuff going on right now. So everybody's trading KODK right now. Everybody's trading it. Look at it up there to 1580 now. So yeah, about that, Patrick, about that. So KODK squeezed all the way up there to $18. Like I said, looking for that push up to the 20s here today. Insane at this point. Really just insane to see this move like it's been going. I mean, I don't know what to do here. I think it's just sit back and I don't know. I honestly don't know. I don't know what to do. I think the best thing to do is just to you know, it's just like too dangerous at this point. Like, look at that drop. You see how that just dropped from 18 down there to 50, 60, just like that. So that's what you got to be afraid of, chasing this thing. Look at it. You can see now it's just getting murdered here down there to the 50s. Lots of sellers coming in there at the 50s now. I know it's in hindsight, it's easy to be like, oh, look at it. You know, you should have just bought it and held it and rode it all the way to the moon. But now look at that drop on this 1 minute candle from the high of 96 down there to 43 and still dropping. So it's like pushing up there again, 1750s. Pushing right through there, looking for a small pullback here. Jumping in there at 51. See if we get a push up here quick. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. We're going to lock in $137 after commissions and fees. You can see the account now is $4,403. So over $4,500 in the account starting last week with $2,900. And like I said, is that to say this can't go to $20 today? No. But at the end of the day, we've got to figure out, you know, what is our best risk to reward. And right now, I don't think that Kodak is our best risk to reward here. You know, it's just we missed out. That's really what it comes down to. We didn't capitalize on the best opportunities. And you can see, you know, down here buying at the 15s. Obviously now it's like, oh, look, I would have made tons of money. But it also, you know, could have went like this. So we go. Market is about to open. Let's see what happens here. We got about 10 seconds. 10 seconds here till market open. Woo, baby. Who's excited? Who's excited? I know I am. Yes, sir. There we go. Market is now officially open for business. Place your bets. Place your bets. KODK up there to 1875 so far. 1878. Wow. Wow. Talk about a crazy one. Look at that. It touched down there, the low 79.3, and then just popped right back up there to 19. So looking to see if SNOA can reclaim the VWAP here over $12. Might be something to start thinking about. We got a pre-market high up there at 1460s. So looking to see if we can reclaim the VWAP here. Right now, Kodak's halted, but SNOA having some trouble here below the VWAP right now. So it's looking weak. As long as it's below the VWAP. Below the VWAP, no go. Above the VWAP, maybe there's an opportunity. SONA trying to get up there above that VWAP there. Looking to see if we can push back above $12 here. Over 12. Looking to be a buyer for that push up to the halt level at the 1260s. I'm going to jump in there at 12. Look for a push up here. I'd like to see over 1240 if it can squeeze up. It's getting dumped on right now. This could be bad. This could be real bad. This could be real bad here, boys. Wow, getting out for a massive loss there. Really bad loss. That's really bad. 870, wow, that's bad. Just no bounce on that one. That's fucked. Go. Jump in there. Look for a push back above 20 here. Getting dumped on as well here. Looking for a push back up here. Looking for the push back up here over $20. And looking top heavy there again. Wow. That's going to really drain me out there, boys. Where we at? Down $1,000? $1,800 a day. Well, that's not good. Really, fuck me. No pop at all here. No pop. Jump back in here. Look for a push up towards the 20s. 1850 stop here. $18.50 stop. Looking for a push towards the 20s. Looking for a push here. Looking for a push over 20. Looking to sell half. Still got 750 shares. Looking for a push there. Just getting stopped out. So now we'll just battle that back a little bit here. Did we get some of that back here? $1,200 down. Now looking for a push over 20 if it comes. Back over 1850 now. Let's see how this 1850 area reacts. Maybe get back above 19. Start the squeeze back up here. I'm going to jump in there. Take a little bit of profit. Pushing back up there. Looking for a break over 1950 now. Jumping in there. Looking for over 50 on this push here. Taking a little bit there. Not getting going again. Come on. There it goes over 50 now. Okay. Beautiful. It just keeps slowing down on me. Doesn't want to get going over 20 here. I'm going to wait for a break over 20. Got that halt level there at 2040. So getting halted there at 2066. Take another 100 shares there. It's going to put us down under. It's going to put us at $760 in the negative now. Or in the negative still, yeah. All right, so KODK about to reopen here. Kodak. Let's see. We should get it reopen here. See what the price action looks like here. Looking like she wants to squeeze up there to 21. Taking a little profit there. Oh, gosh. Squeezing all the way, didn't it? So now down only $540 so far today. That's looking a lot better. We were down $1,800 at one point. Just don't know what to do here. The next halt is at 22.74. This thing just, it doesn't want to stop. It's going to get halted again. Oh, gosh. Look at it. 22.50 now. And another halt coming. See if we get a pullback to the 22s maybe. Nope. It's going right to that halt level there. 22.96. Gosh. 23.70. For a pop back above 23 here. Not getting filled. Are you kidding me? God, try to buy the ask and I don't get filled there. Wow, that would have been the saving grace right there, people. Look at this thing. Up there at 24 level. Halt is at 24.26 here. Here we go. Market is going to reopen here on Kodak. Let's see what happens. Madness. Look at this dump. It's going to get halted again on the way down probably. We'll jump in right there. See if we can't get a little pop back up here. Push above 24.50 one more time. Now we're only down $420. Woo! Oh! What? What? 25? Are you kidding me right now? Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that pop. 26. What just happened? Why did it not just go like that when I was in it? Wow. Wow. How did that, what? What? Gonna get halted again here. This is insane. I cannot believe I didn't get filled. I mean, that I got like, it like lagged on me for like 1 second there. I don't really know where this goes from here. I mean, maybe over 30 obviously is like the next next area that I mean, the daily chart means nothing at this point. So it's like there's nothing to look at resistance-wise. It's just one big massive squeeze. I don't understand how that just like, a second after I sold, it popped a full $1. Like literally the moment that I sold, it popped up $1. Crazy. Here we go again. Reopening KODK. Should reopen here, right? Oh, maybe. I think I put a 10-minute hold on it. Oh my gosh. Still squeezing. Still squeezing. If I push over 30 here. Woo! Getting in there at 30, out at 30.80. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? Are we back green? Oh, we're so close to being green. We're so close. We're so close. We're so close. I'm done. I am literally done after that. Wow. I'm so done. All right, I'm done, okay? I'm done. I don't care anymore. I'm just walking away at that point. It's just, there's no point in me. When you go from being down $1,800 to only being down $260, I mean, you walk away, right? Like, you just walk away at that point. So That's what I'm doing. I'm walking the hell away at this point. I'm just going to taking it. It's totally fine. I'll take a small loss, especially after being down that big. And yeah, I'm just going to close it out there. SNOA, it did what I wanted it to do. It got above the VWAP and started pushing up there to the 1240s. I think really just all the momentum is on KODK. Everyone's trading KODK. There's no follow through. Also, one key here. Look at this. Look how apparent this is. I bought here before we made that, before this pushed, right? Before it tried to push there. So maybe that was my mistake. Trying to, buy this little bit of a pullback at the 12s, not seeing that it wasn't kind of pushing above there, and it kind of, whatever, you draw lines on there all day. But, normally my goal is to try to buy when you get these little pushes up above those 1 minute candles. So on these little breakouts there, you get that nice squeeze, because that's kind of telling us, hey, before we had trouble at this area, that 1220. So if this has momentum to continue higher, we want to see this candle push above there. Same kind of setup with KODK, right? KODK was kind of very, very similar to that setup. And what's funny is I actually scaled down after those big losses, and I changed my hotkeys to only 500 shares, because I was like, okay, I'm going to risk, only 500 shares. I don't want to make this red day even worse. So obviously, in hindsight now, you're like, well, you should have kept trading with 1,000 shares, because this trade right here was 80 cents, and then 80 cents on 1,000 shares would obviously have been $800, and I would be in the green right now. But instead, just tried to limit some risk there. And yeah, it's 10:15 now. I think overall very, I think end of the day, it just comes down to just a little bit of luck today not being on my side, especially this move here. I just can't believe that I got filled. Especially this candle literally ripped up here. It just ripped. It seriously ripped from 23 there all the way up there to 27, and I got filled there at 23.52. It just popped. It didn't even. There was no action between this. It was literally just right to 27. It just went straight up. So pretty funny to see. Now we've got the ask at $32 right now on KODK. So pretty amazing, people. We'll see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and close it out there. Like I said, going from being down $1,800 to only being down $264 is, I'm going to go ahead and close it out. Like I said, being down, $1,800 to now only being down $264 after the commissions and fees. My trade P&L, I'm down $58 on the day. So it's take it when you got it, right? Take it when you got it, live to fight another day, and that's exactly what I'm going to do, my friends. That's exactly what I'm going to do. And I think it's just I'm getting back into the flow here, and I've got to remember, it's when KODK, if you look at the scanner, Kodak's the top trender, top trader, 103 million shares of volume there. Everybody's trading this. The action is all going on here. So when that's happening, when we get this type of action, I really should keep a few runners going, I guess I should say. Let it work a little bit more, and that's a good lesson from today. Just letting these trades work out a little longer. I got pretty good entries overall. These entries there, the 19s, 20s, 21s. It basically, all these entries here, the stock never pulled back below those entries once I was in the trade. So need to have a little bit more patience. I think being down $1,800 at that point, I was like, I'm just gonna hammer. I'm gonna take a little bit of profit, and I'm gonna get back closer to green at that point. So that's what we did today. And I knew it was gonna be a wild day. I knew pre-market, before the market even opened, I knew that today was going to be wild, and that's what happens. I think SNOA, I should have just stayed away from that one, especially seeing that. At the end of the day, look, we're that far from the pre-market high. Pre-market high is 1460. The stock's all the way down here to the 12s. It's just stay away from this. That's a good rule. That's my new rule going forward. If a stock is this far from the pre-market high, that's $2 from the pre-market high, and it's been below the VWAP basically ever since, If that's going on, I'm not trying to buy the, dip here. Is that to say that this can't push to 14 later? No, but it obviously shows that there's weakness with this stock. So that's a good reason to stay away from it, Patrick. Just reopening right there. We'll jump in for a small, just a quick little scalp one more time. I think I got a full dollar move there. Pretty darn close. Jumped in with only 250 shares, just so everybody knows. Got in there at 49.44 and sold 49.79. I thought I got over 50, but there's the halt again above 50. So we're going to end the day. I'm just going to end it right there. So we're going to end the day down $184. That is not a bad day at all. Not a bad day, especially crawling back or pushing back after that overall day there. That just, yeah, it is what it is. Wow, look at it. 50, 60. I'm definitely walking away now. I'm walking away. I'm getting out of here. I'm not touching it. This thing's just going insane, and I don't want nothing to do with it. This is the type of stock that just kills you, blows up your account. I mean, I almost blew up my account this morning on SNOA, but this type of KODK, this will put you out for the count. This will put you out for the count there.